Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley B. Deck. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today I've teamed up with the Kalai Hair and they sent over this beautiful 13x4 pre-everything Yaki straight wig. So if you're new to the wig game, pre-everything literally means pre-everything you can think of. They gave us a pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleached nods, and also this one comes with a beautiful pre-cut lace. And to set it off, they do include this like very innovative wig tape on the inside of your lace. So about right here, there's like a little peel and stick technology that's going to allow you to be able to literally peel the back of the tape, stick it down, press it in with your fingers and warm it up, and you are literally bonded down. This is a frontal, but she does fit glueless. So if you are a beginner, this is going to be a nice, simple, and easy beginner friendly install. This is my look for 4th of July. I am headed to my parents' house for a nice fun celebration. My stepmother does an amazing job at catering to the kids and giving them like the beautiful like rental water slides. My dad barbecues on the grill. She also gets like the icy maker. They put the nachos on the, what do you call it? Not the melting pot. What do you call it? The crock pot. The LA hood nachos with the jalapenos. So my kids are super excited about that. They look forward to this every single year. So I'm so excited to go ahead and celebrate with them. So if you want to see how we got this look with this quick and easy 10-minute or less install, let's get started. Okay guys, happy 4th of July. I'm headed to my parents' house for a 4th of July celebration. But before I go, I gotta take a quick 10 minutes to do a lace wig install. This one comes courtesy of Kalai Hair and they did provide some goodies inside. So I'll probably show you guys that tonight when I get back home. But for now, I just want to put a wig on so I can have a fresh install. I've gotten so spoiled because I feel like every time I leave the house, literally every single day, I can put on a fresh wig. Like revamp a wig, brush out a wig that I wore for 2 days? Never. Anyways, they did include some wig tape inside as well as a adjustable, removable elastic band. And we are going kinky straight. So I have on this 2-piece set that I got from H&M a few years ago. It just gives mommy vibes, comfortable vibes, don't gotta suck in the gut while I eat all day vibes. So I just feel like a nice yaki, a long yaki black straight wig would just give everything I need and more. Now this is a like pre-styled, pre-everything wig. So it's set as a center part, but as you guys can see, the lace is pre-cut, the knots are pre-bleached, and the hairline is pre-plucked. And as you guys can see, it does have that scalloped cut along the hairline, and you guys can see how beautifully it is pre-plucked. And then this is a look at the inside construction of the cap. So you can definitely wear this frontal glueless. It does have that ear tape on the side, so meaning you don't have to add anything. I'm going out into the heat and it is 4th of July, so I'm definitely going to add a little something to make sure our wig stays intact in the heat because the kids will be in the pool. So I'm just going to adjust the straps and we are going to go ahead and put her on, and I'm gonna let you guys listen to some music while we do a literally like 3-minute quick install. Before we install, this is what she looks like on. We can style her as a center part, which they've done perfectly. But if you do want a side part, you guys know you can definitely do a side part as well. And the knots are bleached all over, so this is no like smoke and mirrors. You can part anywhere along the entire lace, literally from ear to ear, and you're good to go. As far as the length, I'll try to push you out a little bit so you guys can see. As you guys can see, it almost goes to the hips. So it's literally nice and full. Even though it's yaki, it's like yaki with a nice amount of like sheen and luster and body. So it's not like flat or stiff by any means. So let's go ahead and add these hair clips. And these come from Kalai, but I wear these every day. And let's just go ahead and quickly install. Before we do, also, we're gonna add some edge control and push our hairline and edges back. My husband literally ran to the store to get cranberry juice for me for the party, or for us for the party, and we still have to stop and get ice and fireworks. So I'm trying to go as fast as I possibly can. I think we are good. All right, let's pull the wig back, do a quick install, and go. Oh, and push the wig cap back. I'm just gonna take and do a lot of got to be glued. You kind of got to move fast, especially if you have on makeup. Put it over top like this and allow that to kind of like melt in like so. And then going to just peel and stick the ear tape. And this is what the ear tape looks like when you peel the back off. Once you peel the back off, add some melting spray, bond it down. The ear tape is pretty long, so I'm just gonna cut a little bit off like this. We still have ear tape there. Add a little bit more sticky, press it in, And now since we cut off a little bit, it fits around the ear like a glove. I'm not going to do sideburns because it's hot outside today. We are nice and bonded down. We're going to repeat that step on the opposite side. Cut this piece off. Now that I cut that off, this time I did it before I wet the hair or added the Got2b Glued. You see I cut the strip in half and now it'll fit and work around my ear. So now I can peel off the back. Super simple and easy. Add a little melting spray. Sop that up. One more time. Now we can literally add the melt belt and we are done bonding the wig down. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do the dynamic duo along the parting in the hairline as well as straighten the ends out. And I'm going to use the Care wax because this one is a little bit more oily than the Edge Booster one. But because this hair is long and yaki, it can, you guys know, yaki texture can stand some oil, whereas like sometimes silky textures will look oily. So I don't mind going in generously with this product. Okay, I straightened it out so we can go. Okay, so this is simple, sweet, and to the point. No baby hair or anything like that. I know my kids are freaking out, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go here. Stay tuned. Literally in the next clip, I'm gonna show you guys me all glammed up, and I'm gonna do a quick little cute style to this wig. Okay, love bugs, fast forward, it's about 2 days later. I filmed the first part that you just seen on the actual day of 4th of July. Fast forward, it is 2 days later. Today is July 6th, and to show you that I am not playing, July 6th is actually evening time. I did wear it kind of just back because I'm at the 11th hour. I realized that, you know, I was running late, so I ended up just like not really perfecting the hairline the way I wanted to. So just to make it easier, I kind of let a little bit of the front peek out, and I kind of did one of these numbers. I did tuck the sideburns behind my ears whenever I did this, so it just gave really simple, easy bust down middle part to the back with a little luxury headband on top. And I wore an all black H&M short set. So that was that. But let's go ahead and update her. So because we have the ear tabs, I did go ahead and bond it down with the ear tabs going forward. Now of course we can do some baby hair here. You can definitely do something like this, and again, if I decide I don't like this at the 11th hour, I'll go back in and change it. And then we can do the same thing on the opposite side where I have it naturally going a lot forward. Let's just put a little bit so it's not too thick in the front like this. Trying to decide if we want to just clean up the hairline or if we want to bring a little bit of baby hair forward. But again, I don't know that that is going to look good. I kind of just want some like micro baby hair like that. Okay, for the most part, I think I got the baby hair exactly how I wanted. Now let's go ahead and tint it so that we can just add a little bit of a melt belt, because the melt belt is really going to bring it together. And I don't want super swoopy baby hair. I just kind of want to break up the hairline a little bit and give it a little bit of super plucked look without actually going in and plucking it. And I don't know, to me that gives more of a like super pre-plucked hairline. Oh, let's put the melt belt on, huh? I didn't really want to get too much baby hair. I just wanted to add a little bit of fun and personality. And then of course you can do just some fun and simple, just like pin her up and keep her out of the way. She's absolutely perfect. So let me show you guys what was included in my package. I can't stop looking at myself. So this is the package from Kalai. You guys know this infamous color. I love that green so much, the green on green. And then inside you do get your dust bag as well as a few other goodies. Now if you watch my vlog, you guys know I'm always typically doing my vlogs or vlogs. You watch my hair tutorials, you know I'm typically using these. I love their alligator clips. Some people call them alligator clips. Some people call them crocodile clips because of the nose or the shape. But they did give me another set, and they always have some fun and cool colorways. This time around they did give me another pack, and of course their little Ziploc does say Kalai on it, and it's a reusable pouch. So I like stuff like this because not only does it house these, but when I'm done using it for my hair clips, this is something that I can add to my like luggage and toiletries, because you know, like if you want to take like cotton swabs, Q-tips, different things, like if you have press-on nails on, you want to add some spare or extra press-ons and some glue to your travel, you can go ahead and do this and like cut a file in half and put it in there so you'll be able to touch up your nails. Just different little things. I like to have like different compartments to be able to sort and add different things and not have it touching other things, if that makes any sense. So I'm definitely gonna just throw that in my toiletry bag just to have options. And then of course these are the ones I got this time, and again I like having fun different colors and they always come through with that, and they do say Kalai on them. And so I got like a royal blue and a black one, so gonna add those to my collection. And then inside of like the pack that the wig was in, I did get these. This is the adjustable and obviously removable elastic band. I did not put it in there because I didn't feel a need to have it, but wearing this again on the day-to-day to like work and to just do like school drop-off and summer camp drop-off and all the things, it's nice to have this in there because if this is not bonded down or melted, this kind of helps to keep it, you know, in place. And then of course we did do the wig tape. I always call it ear tape, but I guess wig tape is a better option to call it. So they did give us a bunch of strips of it, and each strip has like 4 pieces, so you'll be able to do one on each side twice with one strip. And they did give us a bunch of strips. So for me, typically every time I wash the wig, I'll remove the strip that's there and add a new one. You also seen I did cut my strip whenever I cut around my ear, so if I wanted to I could just remove that little piece that I left right now and add a fresh strip and just move it up. So you definitely have options with these, and if sometimes you don't want to use them, you don't have to, but it's nice to have them just in case. And again, they're just a little extra insurance, especially like when you're out and about and traveling. And then also I got this mesh bag, and inside they did give me the melt belt, which you guys see me use in the video. I've already used it, so I'm not going to put it back in here. But then also in here they did give me a pack of HD wig caps, and then they also gave us some really nice ombres. This pink, I think it's like a red ombre. These are really pretty. I probably will save these in around like the holiday season. These will be really pretty, or even like Valentine's Day or Christmas. I would love those, or just a sexy night on a tan, like a really nice date night would be really cute with some white toes. And that is pretty much Lovebugs. Of course, I'll have this one linked down below with all of the details on her. She's definitely gorgeous and definitely an easy breezy install, as well as a staple. Everyone should have a yaki straight, especially if you have yaki or, you know, like natural kinky texture. This is a great wig to have in your collection. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.